Go.
Hi folks, my name's Lou Martin and I'm the module leader for Laws 41705, Criminal Law in Practice, or Criminal Litigation. So you're doing the apprenticeship, SILEX pathway, and also this is a level 4 university module. So we're going to work online with this, and you're also going to come in December to do some face-to-face work in preparation for the actual SILEX exam. So the book that you need, or the manual that you need for my aspect or element of this, is this criminal law handbook, which is not very big, but it's very well written. I teach criminal law on sort of the undergraduate programme at level 3 and at level 5. I've got a lot of access to a lot of books, but this one here, for your purposes, is very practical, very well written and very concise. I've had a look at the SILEX exams, and they are taken directly from the material in this. So my advice to you with relation to criminal law is go through this little booklet with a fine-tooth comb. You don't really need, for either my assessment or this actual SILEX assessment, anything else than this. So I'm going to keep my assessment pretty simple and take it from here. And I'll give you some additional reading materials to deal with the assignment. Let's talk about the assignment then. It's very important for you guys because you're working. So the assignment is going to be a 1,500 word essay or Word document that you will submit via Turnitin. So Anna, who's going to do the criminal litigation element, she's got 750 words and I've got 750 words. So when you look on Blackboard, you'll see that the theme of my assignment is going to be about strict liability and how the courts deal with strict liability. So right from the beginning, you can start having a read around strict liability, because you won't have long. You've only got like 12 weeks, or you've probably got less actually, because you're going to hand in on the 26th of November, which is a Monday, 4 o'clock. So my advice would be to keep one eye on the assessment at all times, especially when you're working, and obviously you've got to look at the other stuff, focusing on the Theft Act and strict liability, criminal damage. We're going to do the key elements of an offence, so the guilty acts and the guilty mind combining, and then we're going to do murder, manslaughter, the homicides. So although you've got criminal law to study, you're not going to study it as in depth as if you were on the undergraduate project, because this is a 15 credit module. So you're not going to be touching on other things such as conspiracy and assaults. You're mainly focusing on the sort of key elements which make up criminal liability, the defences, sort of denials of actus reus or mens rea, and duress, self-defence, where a person sort of negates criminal liability, and theft, criminal damage, strict liability, attempts, and murder manslaughters. So what will happen is I'll probably talk through the subject matter and it'll be on Blackboard for you to listen to. I'll also make these YouTube videos talking in general about how your studies relate to the SILEX exam and to our assessment, and give you plenty of assessment guidance. So you're going to enjoy it. I'm looking forward to seeing you in December. Might see you before that. So I'll see you then.